3 things dogs love most according to science. Number 1, beef over chicken. Studies have shown that most dogs prefer beef and pork over chicken and lamb. In addition, the majority of our four-legged friends prefer cooked and ground meat to raw and cubed options. Number 2, being productive. Dogs can experience positive feelings in response to their own achievements according to science. So getting your pet to do simple exercises like sit or paw can feel super rewarding for them. Number 3, novelty. Research has shown that dogs suffer from neophilia, an intense preference for novel or new things and experiences. So make sure to put their toys away and rotate the ones that they use. This will help avoid your dog losing interest in them and you having to keep buying new ones to satisfy their neophilia.